Hello everyone, this is going to be a pretty quick video, but I did just kind of want to post something as maybe a little bit of an update. I know I shared this on my Twitter a little bit ago, but the other day I woke up in the morning and I had a copyright claim on one of my YouTube videos, and I put a lot of effort into making sure that I credit everything where it is due. The music that I get is actually from a website called bensound.com. He actually provides royalty-free music for anybody to use so long as they provide credit. Some of them do require payment, but the ones that I use do not so long as I provide credit, which is why I always have the phrase bensound.com either in the description or in the credits at the end of my videos. But as luck would have it, I suppose, someone has actually taken his music and layered some extra sound over it and have registered it as their own and are now filing copyright claims on a lot of my videos and a lot of other people's videos and claiming monetization rights on it. So even though I make absolutely no money from this channel, for some reason these people believe that they have earned their money from my hard work on music that's not even theirs, and especially because in the description of bensound.com it actually does say that he does not give permission to anybody to remix their music, and especially not call it their own, and to claim money on it and to gain financially from it. So I'm kind of in a rough place right now. I have already had to submit 2 copyright disputes. I have reported the channel. The channel is called TuneCore, and the music that they are claiming that I have used is called Chillux. As Bensound's Twitter might actually indicate, this is not the first time that somebody has tried to claim someone else's music as their own, and we know that, you know, copyright is such a huge deal, and it sucks when people are stealing other people's ideas or stealing other people's content especially, but this is someone who's actually trying to gain monetarily from it. This is the exact opposite of fair use, so if you have the opportunity to do that, please go do that. It would support me and a lot of other small YouTubers that are kind of getting bogged down by this right now, especially when, you know, some of the bigger YouTubers have recently let us know that if I get, if I send in my dispute and TuneCore decides to give it the big thumbs down, then I end up with a copyright strike now too, because they have claimed this on 2 of their videos. So I just wanted to give you guys an update and kind of let out a little bit of steam and let you know that this is happening. So just kind of keep your eyes and ears out. If you know that you're using music or pictures or anything that you have the license to use, don't be afraid to dispute, and don't be afraid to go through the proper channels to get whoever is falsely claiming your materials taken down, I guess. Literally in the 3 minutes it took me to film that video, I got another copyright claim notice in my email. I'm so stressed out right now because if they happen to just reject these copyright claims or disputes that I'm sending back to them, that's 3 copyright strikes for me and my channel could get taken down. So I'm really stressed out right now. I've worked really hard on this channel, and it's not big, but it's mine. Like, this is important to me in a weird way. I'm really stressed out right now. If you could leave your comments of support down below, that'd be awesome, because I've just about had it.